Hi, welcome to Honey on the Whole
Show. Today, chicken marsala. You know why we're making chicken marsala? Because people keep saying they want it. It's easy. That's it. I mean, that's all you can say. Yep. We got some free range chicken. We went the extra buck on that one. So section it up, dredge it in some flour. I already hit that with salt, pepper, and
garlic.
Yes, you're learning. So we'll dredge it. I'm gonna sear it off hot in the cast iron. Leave all the good bits in there. Then I'm gonna chop up some mushrooms, some shallots, some garlic. That's gonna go in with a little butter. Cook that down. Deglaze it with some Pinot Noir. We're not using Marsala.
Ooh.
Because one thing, the damn store never has it. But Pinot Noir, it works. Let that reduce a bit. And some chicken broth in there. Maybe a little flour as a thickener or heavy cream. I haven't decided. Chicken goes back in, chills out until it's ready to go. Over the top of a bed of mashed potatoes. Some of this garlic is going to go in the mashed potatoes. I'll probably roast that. And then side piece right here. I think what I'll probably do is steam the asparagus just long enough to cook it through.
Yeah.
This is a notable. When you're making asparagus, I hate it when people put it in the oven for like 10 years and then you bite it and it's like a fucking string cheese when you're trying to eat it. I don't want that. I want to bite it and have a
little
snap.
bite.
A little snap when I eat it. Steam it just long enough, maybe blanch it, then put it back into a pan super hot with like some butter and salt and pepper or olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. Then it's done. Cook it, rest it over the top. I mean, that's just, there's like nothing to this dish.
All right.
Why are people tripping?
I don't know.
Let's do it.
Perfect dinner for a cold, rainy, kid-free night. Oh, honey, my mouth is watering. I'm gonna get a little potato, mushroom, going in. OMG. You can taste the wine, but it's not like too potent. The thickness is perfect.
What do you think of this asparagus?
Oh my gosh, I've been eating it before
I know, you
we
already
started.
tried it. That's what I said.
It's so good.
See how, bite that again. Bite that again.
Here, wait, let me get a new piece. Look,
You don't get that string cheese.
watch.
Bingo.
So good.
You love?
Love.